I could pretend that this is the first time that I'm seeing this bag with you guys, but I've already opened it, guys, and I'm so excited. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna put in some in-screen footage of what it looks like, what the bag looks like. So I wasn't sure whether I wanted the nano, the speedy nano, which I know is very popular and hard to get hold of, or the Keepall XS, which is what this bag is. When Virgil sadly passed away, and I knew that there are only going to be maybe a couple more releases from him, it kind of pushed me into the decision. So I made up my mind that I was going to pick up a Keepall XS from one of his last collections, and then I saw this beautiful color. As you guys have already seen, the bag comes in like a dust bag like this. It's kind of like a standard Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then this is what the bag looks like, guys. This bag doesn't even look real. It has really exceeded my expectations, this bag. I'm not sure that I had any reservations ordering it. Did I have any reservations ordering it? Maybe one slight reservation that I had was whether the green was going to be super neon or not. But then I saw Cassie do her video on, Cassie Thorpe do her video on unboxing this bag. And she was so excited, I thought, okay, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. She likes it, I'm gonna like it. So I had to order it, and luckily when I went online, they had one in stock. So I just pushed the button. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. I know that I want a mini bag. I have a Jacquemus mini bag, but I knew I wanted like a mini, and I've got a Telfar bag, but I knew I wanted another mini summerish bag. If you can see this bag looks like a picture. It's got debossing all over it. I think that's what, yeah, the opposite of embossing, debossing all over it, as you can see. And I've basically been walking around the house singing with this bag, because I'm a bit in shock actually, because it's just so beautiful. And the bottom, look at the bottom. The bottom is so pretty. It's almost like a piece of art. I've never had a bag that's made me kind of feel that way. So it's got the green ombre that goes down to the blue. I don't even know if I can say anything critical about this bag, but if I were to say anything critical about this bag, it would be that you probably need to like bright colors, because it is really, really bright. It has two little handles on it. I personally think that if you are on the market for like a small mini bag, that this is a really, really good size. I will show you what I'm able to fit inside of it, but of all the mini bags I have, this is probably the one that I can fit the most in. It has silver detailing on it, which I'm not normally a silver person. I think I've told you guys this before. I'm not normally a silver person. I might have actually preferred gold, but I think with the colorway it goes, it's fine, it looks nice. And then on the inside, it's the lovely blue color. So I have been watching some reviews of this bag, and I can't remember the name of the person, but I think maybe they said that they would have preferred a different color on the inside, but I actually really like this color. I really like the shade of blue. And then you can see on one side it's got like the Louis Vuitton details on it, on one side. And then it comes with an authenticity card. When I ordered mine, it said that it might take up to 3 weeks, but it actually came really quickly. It came, I'd say, in about 5 days. It didn't take very long to come. So I was surprised to see it so soon. The ordering process was pretty straightforward. I got updates about when it was dispatched, and actually when they came to pick it up, they asked for ID. So I had to show like a passport or something like that, which is good because I've had a few issues before with deliveries going to the wrong place. This bag is a 10 out of 10. Look at this bag. It is so beautiful. I don't know what they've done to it, but I will put the composition of the bag on the screen. I'm not really sure or how they've made it. I think it's the debossing that kind of makes it look a bit not real. And when I say not real, I don't mean like a dupe. I mean like more like a picture, if that makes sense. It does come with a crossbody strap, which looks like this. So it's got like the, I don't know if it's a snake print or animal print kind of embossing, debossing all over it. And it is in the turquoise color, which I quite like. There is a way that you can adjust it here. So you can make it shorter or longer if you want. This is a men's bag, so it does come in the men's section. And I found, in comparison to some of the women's bags that I have from Louis Vuitton, that this strap is pretty long. So I am pregnant and I was able to comfortably fit it crossbody, and it fell at about my hip. And I'm about 6 foot, so I would say that this strap is pretty long and generous, which I really appreciate. One of the bags I bought when I was pregnant, and I had to buy an additional strap. Or I didn't have to, but I chose to buy an additional strap just to make it fall a bit longer. So I was expecting this to be a bit short, but actually it's really long. And then it comes with this, what I think is a shoulder protector. So you kind of thread the strap through and then you put it on your shoulder, and it stops you having lots of pressure on your shoulder, or kind of buffers the pressure, I guess. And it's in the turquoise color as well. You can see on the bag that there are like small little details on the silver. So you can see like the Louis Vuitton emblem here, and on this side as well. And the straps are removable. That was another thing that was kind of making me apprehensive of picking up a nano speedy, because I know in the old version it didn't have removable straps. I was actually going to pick that bag up vintage, but because I couldn't remove the strap, I kind of thought maybe I'll just wait. So I know that the new version with the price increase comes with straps you can remove, but it's the same on this Keepall XS as well. You can take the straps off. Looking at it, I would say that it's probably a more casual bag, but I definitely do have ideas in mind for how to dress this up. It's very playful, so I guess it probably wouldn't go, for me, it probably wouldn't go with like a super serious outfit. But a brunch or a summer party or something like that, I definitely feel like I could find a way to style this. It did also come with a standard Louis Vuitton box, so there's space to store it, which is always handy to put in my cupboard so that I can protect the bag. And then the receipt comes in like an envelope like this. You've got your return details here, and then the inside of it has like a thank you note. It's quite cute. I know that this is a collector's item. I'm so excited to have it. It was my mission to make sure that I picked up something from one of Virgil's last collections, so I'm really happy to have received this. I know that they were on pre-order, and I really just wasn't expecting to ever be able to get my hands on it. I think when I first looked on the website when it first came out, they were unavailable. There is also like a pink purple colorway, which I thought I would really like as well, but I haven't seen it in the XS. I'm not sure if it is going to come. I've read in some places that it's coming, and in other places that it's just going to be in this color. So I'm not 100% sure if it's going to come in the pink and purple, but I think it would look great in that color as well. I haven't seen tons of reviews of this bag, so if you have any questions about it, then do let me know down in the comment. If you were interested in how I might style this bag or anything like that, then do let me know as well, and I'd be happy to do a video about that. I think I'm probably more likely to wear it in my hand, to carry it in my hand, but as I mentioned, it is really comfortable crossbody as well. I do like that the color of the handles is slightly darker than the top of the bag, because I think it might be a bit easier to manage the amount of staining on the handles. My birthday just passed, so this was a little gift to myself. I love this bag. If you're considering picking up this bag, I would definitely recommend it. I just think it's so cute. It's one of the best bags I have, I think. I think if you are after a well-designed bag, then this is definitely it. I'm not just a Virgil stan. I don't always love everything that he does, but if you are looking at picking up something from one of his final collections, I definitely think that this is a bag that you should pick up. Since I've opened this bag, I've been in such a good mood. I've been in such a good mood because can you see this bag? Look at this bag. I think it is actually showing up as accurate color-wise. This bag is stunning. I'm gonna go and stare at it in the mirror a bit more. Do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited for summer to come, or at least for an event or something to come so that I can bust her out. I love her. So cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.